Hello, this is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day. Today, I'm going to be talking about the leverage tokens that I like to trade through Binance and FTX. 2 to 3 times leverage. This has evolved over the months into probably over half of my trades involve a small amount of leverage. I'm not comfortable in doing full-blown leverage trades, but these tokens that FTX and Binance have uh, limit the risk to 2 to 3 times the loss or the profit. So I like that. And what I like most about these tokens is they don't liquidate, unlike traditional futures or leverage trade. And there's no time issue either as well. So it's about the safest way if one can do any leverage trade safely. It's about the safest way to do it and least risky. And the profits are great. I love making 2 to 3 times what I would normally. So today I'm going to walk you through one of those trades. It's a Uniswap. I found it with iCoin Pro's Buddy Coin Crawler. So let's go there first. It's around 9:30 or so this morning, and I was going through my usual analysis, and no, I'm not finding it. Here we go. iCoin Pro, the Buddy Coin Crawler. I've talked about this many times. This is the average low to SMA. I'm looking for 5% or better. That's the low of the coin in the past 24 hours up to the SMA line. And I come across Uniswap. I'm not used to seeing it here, over 5%, so I check it out. And gives me the drop-down menu. I click and I get over there, but I've got it open already here. And I see this cascade of red candles, and this is dropping fairly quickly after a pretty nice run up in consolidation. Bitcoin is not dropping at this time. Usually it's a Bitcoin drop that causes these kind of things, but that's not the case here. So this intrigues me, but it's getting late in the morning. I've got some other things to do. So I do something that that Justin at iCoin Pro does from time to time. Not sure if I did it correctly, but it worked out. I just made a low buy order. At the time, it's here right around 3.6. So I put in a buy order at 3.45, and I'm near my computer, but not looking right at it. So it does drop, and actually, oh, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm looking at the Uni chart, but I want to trade the Uni-Up coin. When it drops like this, I'm confident that it's going to have a recovery. And though this isn't perfect, a 1, 2, 3 dip, it really resembles one in many ways. Though the blue candles here that indicate consolidation haven't quite made it back up to the Bollinger Band, but I like what I see here. And so I make the trade, but I go over to the Uni-Up on Binance and make the trade there because I want to take advantage of 2 to 3 times leverage. So I am in here. The Binance takes my order at 4.45, drops slightly, and then starts to track up nicely here. I come back from what I'm doing. I see this trend. I feel pretty good about it. I go ahead and try to figure out where I want to exit this trade. I know generally it's going to be in this resistance area because as I've said many times, I like retraces. I like a coin to have a history to exit where it facilitates my trade. So I'm looking at right around here in this area, 4.9. So I set my sell order there. It trends up, then starts to drop here, and I'm a little nervous about it. So I cancel my sell order. I reset it at 4.8. And it was a good decision because it hit about 4.86 and then dropped. So I'm out less than 2 hours later at 4.8 for 7.75% profit. It's a really good day trade. And again, 2 to 3 times leverage and with limited risk. All you really have to do is evaluate the underlying coin and then switch over to the up or down coin, whichever way the charts show that it's going to go, and make your trade accordingly. Don't get too greedy. I mean, I could have set a sell order up here, you know, in this range over 5, but you know, I didn't think that was likely, and Uni's been all over the place lately, so I didn't want to take any chances. I'm quite content with 7.75%. Well, that's all I have today about the up and down coins. The analysis works similar on FTX on the bulls and bears. If you are a United States citizen, you cannot trade on the Binance exchange or the FTX exchange unless you use a VPN. So keep that in mind. Binance does have a US platform, but the volume is considerably less, and it doesn't have the up and down coins. So that's all I have. Please stay tuned for some additional messages. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.